What's up, YouTube? This is Eyer Fishing, and today we're near Cocoa Beach surf fishing for the very first time. I don't know if you can hear me right now. The wind is kind of blowing crazy, but right here I've got a pompano rig set up with 2 of these hooks and some shrimp. So without further ado, let's see what we can find. Here, let me check on it. Wait a minute. I don't think it's anything. Oh, wait. Oh. Fish on, fish on. It's a new species for me. There it is. Black drum. Excuse me. I've got a fishing channel, so I'm like cataloging them. I've caught over 70 species of fish. Wow. Yeah. I'm trying to get to 100. All right. Here you go. All right, well, it looks like the camera cut out while I wasn't paying attention. I got my second fish of the day. This is a Gulf whiting right here. So we're gonna go let him go. All right, guys, so I decided we weren't having much luck with the other rig. So I switched to a fish finder rig with a 4-ounce weight attached to a foot-long fluorocarbon leader. Third. There we go. Yeah, I got some, I think. Yeah. All right, I think I got something. Bring it on home. Woo! There we go. Good. Thank you. All right. Third fish of the day. Another Gulf whiting. Third fish of the day. Larger Gulf whiting. See if I can get a southern kingfish maybe. All right. I'm gonna throw him back. There we go. Maybe? I don't know. Probably not. If it is something, it's probably small. Yep, no, it's something. It's something. I feel it. Hey! An even bigger Gulf kingfish. There we go. All right, that's fish number 4. It's a Gulf kingfish. Nice one right there. Go on ahead.
It's a keeper.
Yeah, it would be. I don't eat them though.
Even though I hooked onto sargassum grass for the rest of my surf fishing trip, I considered it a success, with 2 total fish species including 1 new lifer. If you want to see more content like this, hit that subscribe button and check out the related playlist and videos in the description.
Fish species.